Resistance bands are a great way to get a full body workout without needing any equipment. Resistance bands come in a variety of sizes and strengths, so you can find the perfect one for your fitness level. They are lightweight, portable, and easy to use, making them perfect for beginners. Resistance bands can be used to perform a variety of exercises, such as squats, lunges, and bicep curls. Incorporating resistance band exercises into your routine can help to improve your balance and coordination. Resistance bands can be used to target specific muscle groups, helping you to build strength and tone up. Start by working with a light resistance band and gradually increase the resistance as you become stronger. Make sure to keep your form correct and move slowly to ensure you get the most out of your workout. Have fun and enjoy the challenge of resistance band workouts. Take breaks when you need to and be sure to listen to your body.